Hello everyone, this is how my Ammu is making um, chicken sandwich for us using burger patty. For that you need burger patty. The name suggests burger patty sandwich, so you need burger patty for that. After frying the burger patty, just normally how we do, we are going to scramble it. Then we are going to put some chopped onions and whatever mayonnaise you have in your fridge. Then you will mix it all together just like this. Mix it together to form a nice mixture, and then we'll add black salt and then we'll add salt and black pepper to it. Then we'll take our dear bread and then spread it, and on it we'll spread our mixture that we just made. And then we'll cover it with one more bread, and then we'll cut it into pieces, and we are done. It was so easy, and I hope you'll try it. Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. So right now it's the morning as you saw, and today is Sunday as you can see, so a bright breakfast, nice breakfast, like a bright day. Today is Sunday, so probably it's gonna be a bright day, and let's start with a very bright breakfast. Just like she said, today we are having chicken sandwich. Yay!
I'm so hungry while looking at it.
Yeah. As you saw how my Amu made it, actually like we did not have the burger patty. So my Amu did what? She took the burgers that oh wait, I think I messed up. She did not have the burger bun. That's why she took the burger patty and then smashed it and made us chicken sandwich. And right now it's breakfast time. Yeah.
Shall we start?
Yeah, of course. What are we waiting for?
So good.
It's so delicious. If you have this thing at your home, of course try it. It's so super good. And now we are done with our breakfast. So the next thing is our lunch. Okay. Our first priority, that was the breakfast, is done now. So now all we need to think about is the lunch. Let's start by pressuring our Ammu what she has to make for our lunch, and that depends on her, as this is a very tough job to do, ordering and just sitting at our room. Like, we can't just sit and order her to make everything. We gotta pay for it. Like, we need to help her, so that's too much hard work. Instead of that, we'll just accept whatever she's cooking. That's better. So she started cooking with a vegetable. Don't eat vegetable, like Uncle Roger says. Vegetable tastes like sad, but we need vegetables, so we are eating cabbage. Not eating, we are cooking. She's cooking. She's cooking cabbage for us today. We are going to have that for lunch and probably in tomorrow's tiffin, because I don't know, that's how it works. Like, whatever we'll have, we'll get that in the tiffin as our sabzi, as our vegetable. At least then we are having something really yummy. Then she's frying a type of spinach with prawn. Prawn can make anything taste better. Prawn is so amazing. It is a magical ingredient. It can make anything better. And then we also have prawn curry in there. Everything in today's menu consists of prawn, because We bought a lot of prawns, so everything we have included prawns. The spinach fry, and then we have that cabbage. Yeah, Charles Babbage. Weird names. Anyway, he's a great person. Then we are going to put our curry, sorry, yeah, prawn curry, some salad, and we are done. It already looks so yummy, and then it was time for us to have our lunch right here. See, food is ready, so we won't say no. Am I right? Who will say no to food? Like when we are having delicious food that is filled with prawns, who will say no? Nobody, right? And then my Ammu was also eating, and everybody was eating, and my Bunu was done, and then she went, and Amma was like that. I'm the slowest person. Well, I was just showing. I cannot make it jealous. I have so yummy food today. And then I was working for a poster. I had to make a poster for my school. My teacher had asked me to make a poster for one assignment, so that's what I was working on. I was making a poster on no tobacco, and slowly I was finishing it. Actually, I hated the way it turned out. It doesn't look good at all. I just don't like it. It looks so bad. I wish I could redo it, but it just looks so bad. I don't have time to redo this whole thing again. I just have to go with this. I feel so bad. Anyway, don't forget to comment down below how you feel it. And then Bunu also put some mehendi. And after that, let's not talk about anything else right now except for snacks. After lunch, the biggest priority next is the snacks. In snacks, what we will take is so different from every day because we have a lot of varieties of snacks. So, we need to think very wisely before ordering our snacks or before telling our Ammo what will we eat. That was actually a very good try we did. We tried to tell our Ammo when she was so tired, and we were like, make us something, and she's like, okay, I'll make roti. And that's the thing, you can see she's making roti for us for our dinner. And forget about the snacks, we did not get it because like it's okay anyway, like we'll get dinner. It's better instead of having rice again. My Ammo is making roti, and it took a lot of time, so like at least I'll get to eat roti in dinner. And that we are done. Here was my dinner. We had the same thing, well, but with roti. And this vegetables taste so much better with roti. It tastes so sad with rice. I guess you should eat this cabbage thing with roti only. Don't eat it with anything else. Also, you can see we were again eating the prawn curry and everything again. Oh yeah, one more thing. We have already posted the video for the recipe of the prawn curry. Don't forget to check it out. It is super yummy, and once you learn how to make it, I'm sure you will never find a better recipe than that. So we have already posted it. Go ahead and check it out. Make it whenever you want. Just a quick check on our birds and our fish. Our fish. I can't say fishes anymore. Everybody died. Only this little small one is left. And then our plants. Like these are the chili plants that my mom had planted. Like few months ago, she planted chili seeds, and then they became plants. Now I have lied down as tomorrow is school, and I have to get up very early. I have already set up my alarms like every day, and that's all for today. And I'll see you in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Masalama.